Nick Aldis finally snapped on Gunther. After Gunther took out Finn Bálor and Sami Zayn, Aldis came in, threw a couple of good-looking working punches, took him down, and then locked him in the cloverleaf. And that changed this match for me. So now we need to talk about two things. Is Aldis really coming back? And how did this become one of SummerSlam's hottest matches? The more I think about it, WWE may have found the perfect way to bring Aldis back. They brought him in as the GM first, let us get to know him, and now we're starting to see the wrestler underneath the suit. If he looks great at SummerSlam, do you really want him going right back into the office? Because I'm not sure that I do. And I think Gunther is probably the perfect guy to find out if Aldis still belongs. His matches are always very physical and serious. You can't really fake your way through a Gunther match. Aldis probably doesn't even need to win this, but it just depends on what you think matters more here. Does it matter more to protect Gunther, or do they want to make Aldis look like somebody that they can keep using? Now, what surprises me the most about this is how interesting this match feels. And the story here is incredibly simple. Gunther kept pushing Aldis until he finally fought back. That's it. Sometimes wrestling doesn't really need to be complicated. Are you more excited for this match now than you were a few weeks ago? Right? Because I definitely am. Now for me, the biggest question here isn't even who wins the match. It's just, what is WWE going to do with Aldis after this? Is he going to stay GM? Is he going to wrestle every once in a while? Or do they turn this into a real bona fide comeback? Tell me what you think in the comments. And if you want more WWE content, like the video and subscribe to the channel.